Now we are at Atta Market, Noida, Sector 18. As you can see here, the Gautam Budh Nagar's residential are following the guideline of the DM. Gautam Budh Nagar guidelines specify that the restriction on the metro rail services would continue. School, colleges, educational institution and coaching classes would remain shut till May 31. No relaxation has been given in multiplex cinemas, halls, shopping malls, gymnasiums, swimming pools, entertainment halls. Moreover, all kind of religious, social, political entertainment gathering congregation is also not allowed in the district. There would be no permission for vehicles including passenger vehicles and buses in the interstate movement. The industrial activity is allowed to operate, but outside containment zone, the industrial units would be required to comply with norms, take precautions like mask and covers, ensuring social distancing amongst the worker. At the shop which is allowed to open, shopkeepers have to keep hand sanitizer for customers and use face masks, gloves, and also customers without mask is not entertained. No weekly Mondays is allowed in urban areas, while in rural areas they are allowed, but with social distancing measures. And as you can clearly see that how Delhi UP police in the Atta market is ensuring that that proper social distancing norm is being followed as the market opens. We have additional DCP Ranvijay Singh with us. Sir, now that Noida Authority has issued a fresh set of guidelines wherein shops can open, will it be the odd and even ply or it will be the alternative shops? How will you manage to open all these shops?
See, broader guidelines have been decided. I think there was a meeting convened yesterday with the representatives of traders and shop owners with the district administration. Broader guidelines have been decided, and I think according to that, this odd and even formula will be applicable here, in the sense that first, third and fifth, few shops will be, alternative shops will be, the shops will be numbered first, right? And the shops which belong to the odd number will be basically opened on one particular day, and then the turn for the next one comes to next. So this is how this formula will work. And some 3-4 important points have been announced, like no shop will be open on Sunday. The shops will not be open between 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. That is the curfew time. And then again, all have to comply with the broader guidelines and directions given, issued at different levels from the government as well as local administration. Then, there will be no shops cannot be opened in the containment zone. So these are the broader guidelines. Those were finalized yesterday, and I think the traders have agreed to that, and probably they'll open their shops accordingly.
Who all will be allowed in the shops? Like, is there a categorization that people only with certain category be allowed to come out of their homes? As we all know that still the interstate movement of the passengers is not yet cleared by the authority. So will that be a category of the people also within the Noida to come out of their homes?
See, the guidelines which were issued by the MHA, in that guidelines only there's some category of people who are not supposed to come out. Taking care of the spread of the infection, like the people who are above age of 65, the children below 10 years of age, and pregnant ladies. So these are the categories which are not expected to come out due to the effect. They are more vulnerable compared to the other sector of the society. So I think except these 3, others can come, and they have to comply with the directions for the curfew also, that they cannot move out in between that 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. time. Otherwise, they can come and do the shoppings.